वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमन ने आत्मनिर्भर 3.0 यानी कि प्रोत्साहन पैकेज का ऐलान किया। इस दौरान निर्मला सीतारमन ने एक देश एक राशन कार्ड, आत्मनिर्भर भारत रोजगार योजना, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना और किसानों के लिए कई ऐलान किए हैं। घर खरीदण और डिवेलपर्स के लिए वड्डी राहत दी गई है। सर्कल रेट और एग्रीमेंट वैल्यू के विच दा जो अंतर है उसते हुण इनकम टैक्स के विच 20% की राहत दी जाएगी।
We are launching a credit guarantee support for all the stressed sectors. This was part of what was recognized by the Kamath Committee, which looked at the various sectors which are stressed as a result of the pandemic. So 26 stressed sectors were identified, and for those in that sector plus the health sector, with credit outstanding of about 50 crores and up to 500 crores as on 29th February 2020, this scheme will be extended. And what it does is, it doesn't have an upper ceiling or on annual turnover basis. Entities up to 30 days past due, which is estimate 0 as on 29/2/2020, will get an additional credit of 20% of outstanding as of that date. So this one, unlike the earlier which got extended now, which will be current and which will run even as it goes on, we are bringing this one as an additional scheme wherein the tenor of the additional credit which is being given will be 5 years, which means 1 year of moratorium and 4 years of repayment and servicing. The earlier scheme, which has got extended now, had 1 plus 3 years, which is 1 year of moratorium and 3 years of services. Atmanirbhar announcements that we've made over the months. So first, the state of the economy, there is definitely a strong recovery scene that is emerging. Active cases of COVID have declined from 10 lakhs to 4.89 lakhs. Looking at the economy, they are giving us this monthly report which predicts a strong return to proper growth of the Indian economy, to positive growth, and in Q3 itself there could be a strong growth which will bring into the positive terrain. And the expectation earlier was that it will be probably in the fourth quarter that we will reach that kind of a number, but RBI predicts probably that will happen even in the Q3.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ABP ਸਾਂਝਾ, ਜੋਸ਼, ਜਜ਼ਬਾ, ਜਨੂਨ।